Hi friends, I'm Gina and I'm glad you're here. Today we're making my absolute favorite roast, the Mississippi pot roast. Let's get started. Here I have about a 3-pound beef roast that I've cut into sections except for the middle part because of that bone. Now I'm turning on the saute function. And now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I have a large onion that I've chopped up rather coarsely. Since the onions have become mostly translucent, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. Turn my saute function off. I'm going to add a cup of beef broth. I'm going to work on this bottom a little bit. I have a packet of Jus Gravy as well as a packet of ranch, and I like to use the dip kind. Seems like it gives the best flavor. I'm going to add my Jus, my ranch, a half cup of pepperoncini juice. Give that a stir. Roast back to the pot. Spread that around a little bit. Now I have some pepperoncini peppers. You can add as many or as few of these as you want. I'm going to make sure that the pot is in the sealing position. Now I'm going to hit this manual button and set it for 55 minutes. So I've got to running errands and taking care of other things and let this sit a little bit longer than you have to. Just allow yours to natural release for at least 10 minutes. To thicken the gravy, I've made a slurry out of cornstarch. I've got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and about 2 tablespoons of water. I have turned the saute button back on. And I've left most of the goodies in here. Other than the meat, I removed the meat. That was my favorite part. Get a bite of this for you guys. I'm looking forward to this because I love this roast. So good. Really good. I just wanted to share some thoughts with you guys, and if you're not into that, definitely fast forward it. I know that a lot of people are struggling with their mental health lately because of everything that's going on, and having experienced my own depression and worked with people who've had depression, I know that it's really tough. And there's other mental health issues that people are having, not just depression. But I've been intrigued by the new scientific evidence that they've been coming up with in regard to practicing gratitude. I know that our brains are really good at finding what we look for. If we have a tendency to look for the negative, we're going to find it. So I can kind of see that if we got in the habit of looking for positive things to be grateful for, I could see how that could be beneficial. So I just wanted to give you guys the opportunity to share something that you were grateful for. You may just even start small with something like, well, like for me, I'm grateful that for my utilities. I'm grateful that when I flip a switch, the light comes on. I'm grateful that when I flush the toilet, everything goes down like it's supposed to. I'm glad that when I turn the key of my car, it works and it can get me into town. What are you grateful for? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.